Ney-kor means pilgrimage to sacred places. The song and the dance is divided in 3 parts, connected with the 3 places where we go pilgrimage. It's a circle dance and belongs to Amdo Kordro. Kordro means circle dance. Male and female do the same movement, little different style, but the steps and arms movement are the same. Movement of the arms remind the idea of going pilgrimage. For example, we do like this, and other movement I will explain now. There are 6 different sequences of steps and movement. Every sequence has 8 counts. I will now explain how to do and how to combine the different parts. The first sequence is like this. We start dancing this way, so hands on the hip, we can do like this or like this, and we do 8 steps, starting right, alternating right and left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we don't move, we remain on the same place. Next sequence, also with 8 count, 8 steps, always alternating right and left, will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With arms, you see it's very simple. Arms in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will alternate these 2 sequences, as you can see in the full dance. The third, also 8 counts, but less steps. So every step has 2 counts, and we do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we repeat twice again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next sequence, again 8 steps, 8 counts, and alternating right and left foot. We do like this, hand on the hip. So we do 1, 2, 3 steps forward, then we turn to our left side, and 4, 5, going backward, and then 6, again back. Now we turn to our right, and we do 7, 8. So we repeat this sequence twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. part 8 steps, alternating right and left. It's very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this sequence, we will repeat this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The sixth sequence, again 8 counts. Now steps we do a bit slower, so hand on the hip, we can do like this or like this. So we start right, always we start with right, left up, and then left, right up, and we continue like this. So we will alternate these two parts. So this going forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, with this that we explained before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will alternate these two sequences 2 times. Last sequence will be this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we end the dance like that.